How do we maximize our time? We all only have 24 hours in a day. How do we make sure that we make every minute and every hour count to be productive, as well as to have the counterbalance of being at work, being with your business, and then being with family as well? Because that we call counterbalancing. There's never a perfect balance in life. Gary always talks specifically in Quantum Leap and in the One Thing. It's always counterbalancing, and meaning that I'm going to use this to show you're always more in one place than at another at a certain time of a day. It talks about your family as glass balls. Don't let the glass balls fall, because they will shatter and you cannot put them back together like they were before. So remember, business, the bouncy ball can always bounce back, but your glass balls, look after your family, be present with your family.
If it's not in a calendar, it's not in your life.
Yes.
And abide by that.
Mhm.